Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Wallace Cove is a very small coastal community in Charlotte County, New Brunswick, located along the Bay of Fundy between Beaver Harbor and Black's Harbor. Like many communities in this part of the province, it is surrounded by rugged shoreline, forests, and sheltered inlets that have supported local families for generations. Although Wallace Cove has only a small population, it reflects the character of southwestern New Brunswick, where the sea and the natural landscape continue to shape everyday life. Only a small number of people live in Wallace Cove, with the population estimated to be well under 100 residents. Many homes are spread out along the coastline and nearby roads, rather than being concentrated in a village center. Residents often travel to nearby communities such as Black's Harbor, St. George, and St. John for shopping, healthcare, schools, and many other services. The community offers a rural coastal lifestyle that appeals to people who enjoy nature and open spaces. Long before European settlement, the coastline around Wallace Cove was used by the Passamaquoddy and Mi'kmaq peoples for fishing, hunting, and seasonal travel. European settlers gradually arrived during the late 1700s and early 1800s, establishing small fishing communities and farms along the protected coves of the Bay of Fundy. The sheltered waters made it easier for fishing boats to operate, while nearby forests supplied timber for homes, boats, and local industries. Fishing has remained one of the area's most important industries for generations. Lobster fishing provides seasonal work for many local families, while others are involved in harvesting scallops, herring, and other species found in the Bay of Fundy. Aquaculture is also a major employer throughout this region, with Atlantic salmon farms located in nearby coastal waters. Housing in Wallace Cove is generally more affordable than in many larger Canadian communities. Most homes are detached houses on generous properties, with some overlooking the Bay of Fundy or nearby coves. In recent years, average home prices in the surrounding area have generally ranged between about $250,000 and $375,000. Waterfront homes and larger properties often command higher prices because of their location and views. Today, Wallace Cove remains a small but active coastal community where the sea continues to influence daily life. While it may not be widely known outside the region, Wallace Cove represents the traditional working communities that have long been an important part of New Brunswick's Bay of Fundy coast, combining natural beauty, maritime heritage, and a strong connection to the land and sea. Thanks for watching!